Hi, today we're gonna show you how to add stickers to your Instagram Reels. Let's start right away by opening our Instagram app. Then simply click your icon with the plus sign up here. Then click the camera and just swipe to the right and click the Reels. So here we will have to record something. So let's just record this for a couple of seconds. Then just simply click next. So we can add music. If you want to add some, just click next. Then just click the sticker icon up there. And here we have a bunch of stickers that we can choose from. So let's click the time here. This one. And then we can adjust it with whatever variety that we want. If you just click it, it can be digital, analog, or whatever you want. Then here you can crop how long you want the video to be. And once you're settled, just click the blue icon and just click share, and then it's already posted. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.